Hi everyone, this is Chao with Rihanna Stark. This is a pick a card reading for the week starting from 6th to 12th October 2025. We have two cards here. This is pile A and this is pile B. Viewers, you can pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. We do have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed and go directly to your reading, feel free to do just that. Now, let's just get down to your reading. For pile A, the first card in your reading is the Strength. So this week starts on a very positive note. There are going to be gains for sure. Possibly, you're also getting past dues. Maybe you'll also be doing some official paperwork dealing with the people in authority, government officials. So it is going to be a time to ask for favors. There could be some issues which could leave you rattled, but overall, it's going to be a fruitful first few days. In personal relationships, also, I think you should let go. You should not hold on to things, not hold grudges as well. With the Seven of Wands coming in, it means that you could be dealing with the fire signs, Sagittarius, Leo, as well as Aries. Again, surprises are going to be there. Maybe you could be very pushy while dealing with others. So be mindful of the fact that it could be a bit of a turn off for those who don't like pushy people. So this could also mean that clients could walk away. So be patient with them. Nevertheless, people from far and wide are also going to connect with you. New opportunities are going to be there, but try to lower your expectations. Try not to build castles in the air. In all probability, there will also be changes in your schedule. You also need to be altruistic. Sometimes we get opportunities to help others, and this is a week when you're going to be kind, be thoughtful as well. With the Two of Pentacles as another card from the tarot deck, this means that you're going to be juggling money as well as your resources, energy. You may be having your hands in too many pies. You also need to be careful, not to take too many risks, because risks may not always translate to rewards. Perhaps that is why the card Disquiet, Unease. I think you need to follow your own inner voice rather than depend on another person's opinion or another person's viewpoint, because that could lead to your undoing. You also need to work on your solar plexus chakra. Maybe stomach related issues could arise, or you could suffer from indigestion. So something is making you uneasy. Maybe you're going to be very defensive at this time. With respect to your love life, I do have the card, my soul's language. So if you're in a romantic connection, this person definitely understands you perfectly well. Maybe time is also going to fly when you're in each other's company. But there's also the card Mute. So oftentimes this week, there could also be no contact or less communication or less exchange of words with your person. This could also unnerve you. It could also make you think or reflect on the relationship. Those of you who are in an unhappy connection, maybe you want to step away from the relationship. You think it is best to detach yourself from the person. Forgiveness is also the key if you want to ascend at the soul level. Spiritual ascension is also very vital because it allows for us to move on a higher plane. The last card in this reading is Ship from Lenormand, which means that travel is also on the cards. I did say that you could be coming across people from far off places, so this is also implying that you need to be open when it comes to people from far off places. If they connect with you, be open to that, because there could be opportunities. Unwanted attention is also on the cards for those of you who pick pile A this week, 6th to 12th October. Maybe your friend also wants to make it known that he has a corner for you. Perhaps you're disinterested. That is why you could also be tongue-tied. Some of you could also be juggling two partners. or two love interests this week, 6 to 12th October 2025. I hope Wiley you liked reading This is Tower with Ariana Stark. Do give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. Those who picked Pile B, these are your messages from 6 to 12th October. Now, the first card in this reading is the Page of Pentacles. Now, straight away, you could be dealing with younger people. Perhaps minor gains can be expected. Sometimes, we are promised much, but we have to settle for peanuts, and that is exactly what is going to happen as the week commences. Tasks will also require immediate attention. Maybe your boss could also ask you to do something at short notice. This could bother you, but then you're going to get the support to come up trumps. Nevertheless, excess communication is also on the cards. Appreciation can also come your way. The Emperor from the other card from the tarot deck. This means that you could be dealing with a bossy person, or you could also be in a position of strength here. I think you need to be more collaborative and cooperative, because this person, he seems to be a bit annoyed. Likewise, I think you need to keep a cool head and safeguard your health. Perhaps it would be prudent to defer something new which you want to start. With the Five of Cups also coming in to your reading, this means walk away from unhealthy situations. You could be a tad emotional. Maybe some of you are also on the move. There could also be distractions and interruptions while you're working. That is why the need of the hour is to concentrate, because it is the Cups energy. You could be dealing with the water signs, Scorpio, Pisces, as well as Cancer. I think you need to cross check while making payments or while dealing with others, because you may make mistakes. Your relationships could also be under strain this week. Perhaps that is why the card clueless, confused, and perplexed. One of you could be very defensive. If it's a romantic connection, this person is turning his back towards us. Likewise, I think you may want to walk away from a relationship which is making you cry, or which is making you quite emotional. Perhaps your partner is also someone who is very insecure, because you do have other admirers. Some of you could be in a third party situation, or infidelity could also be a factor this week for some who chose Pile B. Other than that, I also have the card, some doors are best left closed. So in case you want to make the relationship work, I think you should not dwell on whatever is behind that door. There could be skeletons in the cupboard. That is why it is imperative for you to shut the door on that. Sometimes, ignorance can be bliss. Maybe spend time all by yourself, with solitude also coming in your reading. The gentleman here, as well as this lady, they have their back towards us. That is why sometimes, to keep our peace, we need to step away from certain situations. Volunteer work could also be beneficial this week, so maybe you should raise your hands and help someone, assist somebody else, because a good turn is always rewarded by the universe. Incidentally, you're also being asked to socialize. Maybe there'll be outdoor meetings lined up. Maybe there could be social events this week. So you're going to turn heads. Focus on your diet too. Perhaps settle for a more organic diet. By and large, this week you need to gather your thoughts. You may find yourself sandwiched between people who have difference of opinion. So I'll be just keep a cool head on your shoulders and let this week go by. I hope I'll be you liked reading This is Tower with Ariana Stark. To give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.